Two historic churches, once shattered by ISIS, have reopened their doors in the Iraqi city of Mosul. Restored and revived, they now stand as symbols of hope and coexistence. EWTN Rody Sher has the story.
Here in Mosul's Old City, the bells have rung again. The faithful gathered as Al-Tahira Church reopened its doors, and nearby St. Thomas Church, one of Iraq's oldest Christian sites, welcomed worshippers for the first time in nearly a decade. These scenes of rubble show what Mosul looked like after its liberation in 2017, a city in ruins after years under ISIS control. Churches, mosques, and markets alike lay shattered. Among them stood St. Thomas Church and Al-Tahira Church, each centuries old and deeply rooted in the city's Christian identity. The St. Thomas Church, built in the 7th century, it's said to stand on the very house where the Apostle Thomas stayed during his journey to the east. The Al-Tahira Church on the other side, constructed in the 18th century, was one of Mosul's most beautiful churches.
It's humbling and very special to see it reopen, and I do think it's important for people to come and see the incredible changes in Mosul. I think that it's a testament to the resilience of the community, that this place can reopen and be a center of love and peace for all of Old Mosul.
Both churches were damaged during the war. Their restoration began through the Mosaic de Mosul initiative, launched by Alif Foundation, the French National Institute of Heritage, Vatican, and Iraq's State Board of Antiquities and Heritage.
Today it is an important day, historic day, for the inauguration of the restoration of the important church, Mar Thoma, of the Syrian Orthodox. This is an important work which was done during the last few years for the restoration and the rehabilitation of a church which was completely damaged by Daesh.
At the reopening ceremony, Cardinal Luis Sacco of the Chaldean Catholic Church and Patriarch Mar Ignatios Afram II of the Syriac Orthodox Church stood side by side, joined by the representatives of French Consulate and the Alif Foundation to celebrate this historic moment.
The renewal of these chairs for us, these chairs go back to the 7th century. So this is our roots, our history. Our liturgy was here organized and prepared. So this is for every Christian in the city a sign of hope.
From destruction to devotion, Mosul's churches stand once more witnesses of resilience, unity, and rebirth. For EWTN News from Mosul, Iraq, this is Rody Sher.